Hi, and welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up Phin's Report a Phish button within your Microsoft Azure tenant. So first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and navigate to the integrations page on any Phin company tenant of yours. And then go ahead and select Report Phishing button under the integrations menu. And then go ahead and review the permissions. Once you do that, continue to Microsoft. And you'll go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft Azure tenant. And then you'll review Microsoft permissions as well. Once you do that and hit accept, you'll be taken back to Phin to configure some settings for the Report a Phish feature. So the first thing you can configure is set up forwarding addresses for any reported emails to be sent. You can also customize where reported non-Phin emails get moved to, junk or deleted. And then here's where you're going to want to go ahead and download the Outlook add-in manifest, the XML file. So within your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Settings, and then select Integrated Apps. Once you do that, you'll go ahead and switch the app type from Teams app to Office add-in, and then go ahead and upload the manifest file, the XML file right there. And once you do that, you have finished the deployment steps, and you can now see the Report Phishing feature is installed as a custom app in Microsoft. And thank you so much for watching.